Welcome hunters. What a hunt was for PTBI on Friday. We hunted for this one when we spotted this breakout zone around the $2.10 on our live streaming on Friday.
Yeah, exploding from the bottom. PTBI, we have two profit taken, the $3.30 and $6. Here, the $2.87 as a support. We have this reaction, pump, selling pressure, pump, selling pressure, another pump. So this is the reaction that we should have.
The price actually held over our support, the $2.87, then squeezed toward our profit taking. And we went until the $8. This is FOMO price, then sold off. We're gonna discuss where the price will squeeze at on Monday. Then we're gonna talk about APE. We have a breakout from the $1.59. The price is accumulating in this triangle, and we broke in the last hour on Friday. So there is a really important level to watch out for APE for Monday as well. Then we have NOGN pumped on Friday, 31%. We're gonna discuss where the price will squeeze at, the updated support, everything you need to know. Next up, we got CXAI. Look at this crazy stock, almost 700%. And this action was just in the pre-market. When the market opened, we have a sell-off. We ended Friday market around 94%. Even though we had this sell-off, the price is still holding almost 94 profit. So what we should learn from this is the market maker is still holding over the support we had on Friday. So we're gonna have to prepare for another pump for this stock. Next up, we got SAI, 222% up for this stock. And guess what? The price went down when the market opened. So we have short attack for all AI stocks. The price went higher for all of them, over 200%. When the market opened, got shorted, but it's still holding the gain that they did on pre-market. So there's a pattern. There's a game being played in the background. So we have to be strategic. Get in, get out before the short seller will come in. BBAI, we got NCMI, we got MRAI, MARA, IMPX, GFAI. All those stocks already have them on my Jesus list, where we're gonna discuss it in pre-market on our Patreon Discord. So stay tuned for this update for a precise entry and exit for them. If you want to load up on AMC and the other blue chip company, you can on Momo, because you can actually win 15 free stock when you join with my special link in comment section below. And those stocks you can win are Palantir, DKNG, Fuel Energy, Tesla, AMC. A lot of stocks you can actually win when you join Momo platform. And how you can win those stocks? This is a really great question to ask. Really simple. You can just open an account on Momo and you can get one free stocks. However, if you want to increase your chance to win those stocks, you can actually deposit $100 in order to win 5 free stocks. And there is no funding deposit. Platform fees, everything, level 2 data is all free. The only thing that you pay for is just 0.65 cent per contract. So this is the contract fees if you want to trade options on Momo. So use this opportunity and get you 15 free stocks with my special link in comment section below. And let's get ready back to our video and discuss first PTPI. Oh boy, this one was a great hunt for us. We already took our profit around the $6 and the price went down around the $8. And we suggest never get in because this is the resistance. So what we said, the $8.25 is the resistance. The price was testing, it's still testing. And my hunter asked me if there is a potential to enter because some of them saw the price overcome our profit taken around the 6 and get FOMO. So that's why I always do short analysis update our live streaming to warn my hunter to never get FOMO, to never buy out of the top, to sell around the top, then buy around the dip. So now the game plan as followed. We need to hold the $3.35 as a support. The resistance is still around the $5.30. We'll mark another squeeze for PTBI. If we have a pre-market gap for PTBI, we're gonna do update for any price gap below the $3.35. will change everything for our analysis, or gapping up over the $5.30. Next up, we got Ape. We have a support, the $1.59. The price is beautifully holding this ascending channel. And now we have to break the $2. So we need to hold the $1.59 to confirm that. Then after we clear the $2, we're gonna have a test for the $2.58 profit taking. Make sure to take your profit, don't get FOMO, okay? Next up, we got NOGN. This one looking really nice. That's why I put it on my list, because this one, it's followed the same reaction as AI stocks. The price that we should hold next Monday is around the $2.48. The resistance that we should break is around the $3. We might have a pre-market gap as well for this one. So this is our profit taking. It might turn to resistance if we gapped in pre-market around the $4.18. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Another 36%. We got CXAI. I think this stock opened Pandora box for all AI stocks, because after this stock jump, AI stocks went crazy, went really high from this breakout zone, the $9.80, almost 400%. And we already did the chart analysis update for CXI, and the 1344 was profit taking and the squeeze area, and that's why the price went where? Almost around the $70. This is a price action happened in just 1 hour. We jumped almost 600%. Then the price got shorted. The good thing is when the market opened around this conjunction area, we have just one sell-off, but the price held and still doing higher lows from below. So there's someone still buying, and the confirmation that the market maker still buying for CXAI for next Monday is holding over the $9.80. So the $9.80 should be our pivot, and confirmation that the Pandora box for CXI is still open. So the 1565 should be the first signal for a breakout, and the first profit taking is the 2212. Next up, or lastly, we got SAI. The price went down as well because it's AI stock, hit the $7 and went down. The good thing that we still holding 22% gain. Let me just check how much we did in pre-market, the ultimate. Yeah, 60%. So we lost 60% from the pre-market high, but guess what? 60%, we lost 60% when the market opened, but we still over the 200% in gain. So that's mean the market maker is still holding the price over this support, the $3.90. As long as we hold this first support, of course, there's other bottom that we should respect if we don't want to trigger a sell-off. Around the $2.22 should be the bottom, but the support should be over the $3.90 if we want to confirm a faster squeeze for the $7. But the time being, we have to watch the $4.97 as a breakout SAI for next Monday. We might have again a gap for this one, so that's why we're gonna have to update the chart. If we have a gap over the $5, we're gonna update the chart. Or if we gap below the $3.90, we have to update the chart as well. Remember, our live streaming as usual daily around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time if you want to hunt with us. This April, this month, is for AI stocks. That's why we have to prepare and hunt with the market maker. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.